Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to introduce you a domestic flour mill which is also called Atta Chakki. We'll see how it works and advantages of having this chakki at your home. I am going to cover much more on this video, so guys stay tuned till the end. In this domestic flour mill or atta chakki, you can grind everything right from wheat, besan, rice, jowar, rava, dhania, haldi, jeera, etc. So, its multi-utility is something worth taking note of. When I saw this machine first, I got a feeling why one should have this at home when we readily get thousands of varieties of packed flours available in the market. But later I realized the packed flour nowadays has large number of additives that degrades the overall quality of the flour. Freshly ground homemade atta is full of nutrition and fiber. Atta with fibers is easy to digest, hence less fat generation resulting into fit body. No adulteration, no preservatives. You are assured of your own high quality grains atta. No fuss of grinding at outside chakki, easier to operate and convenient to use. Machine is fully automatic. Pour the grains, switch it on, have fresh atta at your own home at any time with no efforts. These machines are available in a wide range of sizes, so no matter how cramped your house is, you will be able to make space for it. These machines also comes with inbuilt vacuum cleaner and a separate brush to remove dust and flour stuck inside, hence makes the chakki easy to clean. You can brush off all the parts to remove particles of the previous ingredients and maintain the hygienity of the flour mill. I have dropped a product link in the description box. For more details, you can check it out. Alright, now let's start unboxing this flour mill. Let's look into this in two parts. A top part and the front door part. The top part is pretty straightforward. They have provided with a hopper where we put the raw grains in this chamber. This is a slot to place sieves or blades. We will look into these blades in detail in the later part of the video. There is a small outlet that directly goes to the main power supply. And this top lid can be closed easily. Now let's move on to the second section of this flour mill. When you open the front door, what you see here is a grinding chamber. Where you place different size blades according to the requirement. Here you can see they have provided with 6 different size blades. Each of them can grind your flour to a different texture. This is how the blade is to be placed in the grinding chamber. Once the blade is placed, close the door properly with a safety lock. Now, what you can see here is a storage drum or a container. This is where the final flour gets collected. They have also provided with this cloth bag to avoid spilling of the flour. One side of it goes to the grinding unit and the other side goes to the collecting chamber. This way, there will not be much mess. front door has to be closed during the grinding process. They have also provided with caster wheels at the bottom, so it is possible to carry the mill from one room to the other room effortlessly. You just need to drag the machine and it goes with you. Guys, stay tuned because we are going to grind some wheat at the end of this video. As far as the specifications of this machine is concerned, machine is fully automatic and built with heavy duty material which has long lasting durability. Built with 1 HP single phase motor, comes with 1 year warranty. Grinds up to 7 kg per hour. It is also provided with 6 types of nets, or you can see the blades for getting different types of flow. Machine turns off automatically if there is no grain in the hopper. So now let's grind 1 kg of wheat and see how much time exactly it took, and you can also hear the sound produced by the machine. To grind wheat, here I am using 2.5 number blade. Once the grinding process is done, you will be even able to hear the ending alarm. Now let's set the timer to check how much is the time it takes to grind 1 kg of wheat. You can notice here, to grind 1 kg of wheat, it took almost 7 minutes. Once the alarm starts to ring, switch off the main plug and open the door. And here is the flow collected. That's all guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.